Happy bubbles, rhymes for you and me. Singing, laughing, learning, fun for kids is here, you see. Happy bubbles rhymes, yay!
A for apple, red and sweet, healthy fruit, so nice to eat. B for ball, bounce up high, rolling, rolling, see it fly. C for cat, soft and small, meow, meow, she plays with all. D for dog, friendly too, woof, woof, he runs with you. E for elephant, big and strong, he swings his trunk all day long. F for fish in water bright, swimming, swimming, what a sight. G for goat, eating hay, jumping, running all the day. H for hen, cluck, cluck sound, she lays eggs, white and round. I for ice cream, cold and sweet, yummy treat, a summer's eat. J for jug, full of juice, drink it up, it's no use. K for kite, flying high, colors dancing in the sky. L for lion, king of zoo, roar, roar, he's strong too. For monkey, climbing tree, funny, happy, full of glee. N for nest with eggs inside, birds live there and safely hide. O for orange, round and sweet, juicy fruit, a tasty treat. P for parrot, talking bright, hello, hello, with delight. Q for queen with crown so tall, she is kind and loves us all. R for rabbit, hop, 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 running fast, he doesn't stop. S for sun, shining bright, gives us warmth and happy light. T for train, chuck, chuck sound, moving fast on the ground. U for umbrella in the rain, keeps us dry again and again. V for van, running fast, on the road it goes at last. Bubble watch, tick, tick sound, telling time all day around. X for xylophone, colors play, music, music every day. Y for yak, furry and tall, he lives in mountains big and small. Feed for zebra, black and white, running fast, what a sight.